Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Fresha for Business app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Fresha for Business is a professional scheduling and management app designed for salons, spas, and wellness professionals. It helps business owners handle appointments, manage clients, process payments, and promote their services all in one place. Available on both iOS and Android, the app is widely used by beauty and wellness businesses to simplify daily operations and boost client satisfaction. The app's main feature is its appointment scheduling system, allowing businesses to manage bookings seamlessly, send automated reminders, and avoid no-shows. It also includes tools for tracking sales, managing staff schedules, and collecting client reviews. Fresha supports secure in-app payments and even helps promote businesses through its marketplace where new clients can discover and book services directly. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Fresha's easy-to-use interface, seamless booking process, and integration with payment and marketing tools. The platform is praised for helping reduce missed appointments and improving overall business organization. However, there are a few downsides. Some features like marketing automation and reporting are limited in the free version, and transaction fees may apply for payments processed through the app. In summary, the Fresha for Business app may be worth using if you want an all-in-one tool for booking management, client organization, and growing your salon or spa efficiently. However, if you prefer more advanced customization or want to avoid payment fees, you might consider other scheduling solutions. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.